Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Alok Maskara. He is the CEO at Lennox. Alok, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for having me over. Super excited to be here.
Well, it's an exciting day here at the New York Stock Exchange. You're celebrating 25 years as a listed company on the NYSE, and you're ringing the closing bell today. What's it like to be celebrating here at the New York Stock Exchange?
I just feel grateful representing such a strong legacy. I'm only the 8th CEO in Lennox's history, and to be here today and celebrate our 25th anniversary, and we show gratitude to our customers, our employees, and shareholders, I could not feel more grateful. Super excited to be here.
Now, Lennox is actually a 130-year-old company, and you've been CEO for over 2 years, and the company has experienced remarkable growth over this time. Tell me, what are you most proud of accomplishing with your time at Lennox?
If you look at where we are right now, we're in a great spot. In the past 2 years, what I'm most proud of is, first of all, our culture. We started with integrity, respect, excellence as our 3 core values. We have put guiding behaviors under that, and we have truly established a winning culture. Still a lot of work to be done, but that's something I'm most proud of. Other 2 things I'll point out is we have transformed our portfolio into more growth-focused, more North America-focused. We've done an acquisition in service, we've divested our European business, we've established a joint venture with Samsung, and we're super excited about what that brings for the future. And finally, we'll point out, we have turned around our commercial business segment. That is a business segment that had single-digit margin and now has the highest margin in the company, over 24%, and we are excited about what the future holds for us. So that's what I'm very proud of over the past 2 years.
Now, speaking of the future, when you look at future opportunities, what's next for Lennox?
For us, it's all about growth going forward. And the 3 things within that growth that I'm super excited about, first is we have made significant investment in the front end of growth and in a manufacturing capacity. So those investments really sets us up nicely for delivering growth in the future. Second for us is truly looking at our growth acceleration and driving that through a series of initiatives that are very consistent with the overall mega trends that are coming through. And finally, we are starting a new factory in Saltillo, Mexico, that's going to be making products and help us, because we are not demand constrained, we are supply constrained right now. So in one word, the future for us is about growth, and that's what brings us excitement.
Well, it definitely sounds like there's a lot to be proud of through your transformation and growth for the future. Are there any end market drivers that further propel the HVACR industry?
Sure. I've worked in various industries, and HVACR industry is a growth industry. It grows through various things. First, the climate change that we all experience. HVAC is all about making our indoor atmosphere friendlier, better, while we all have to go through climate change. That is permanent tailwind to the industry growth structure. Second for us is about electrification and heat pumps. As we look at old fossil fuels that are being phased out, we're getting more into heat pumps, more into electrification, and delivering the most energy efficient products that we can put through. That's a permanent growth tailwinds. Finally, as we look at it, we are trying to be more of a carbon neutral, more friendly to the environment, and are going through significant changes, including changing our refrigerants, including putting together a lot more growth driven by new technology, new controls. To us, all 3 factors position the HVACR industry for just long-term growth going forward.
Well, Alok, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you, Judy. A pleasure to be here. Thank you.